Back to fighting shapes, something simpler. Now suppose white plays a double-hane right here. How should black continue from this position? A, B, C. No decoys this time, just 3. So which one should black choose here? With fighting shapes like this, you should be able to answer fast. This one should be clear. The answer is C, the single hane, nothing else. Nobody chose A. That's good. If you did choose A, you would first have to spend serious effort reading out the capturing race below. You cannot miss anything. If that race goes badly and black dies, the game is over. The game just ends. Read carefully, and black probably fails. So if you are choosing between B and C, doesn't B obviously help white get stronger? Black pushes out anyway, and white's patch is clean with an eye and thick. Nice shape for white. What if black plays the single hane, keeping the Atari in reserve? Wouldn't that be better? Let's compare. Is this better? Say white retreats. Even if black just connects solidly, white can no longer get that net. White's best is a double tiger's mouth. Black peeps, white connects, black presses on, and white's lower group is thin. Black hanes, white connects, black connects out, leaving white a cutting point. So isn't this better? Same shape, one simple choice of point, and black should still play the single hane out. Don't worry about goatee. White cannot play elsewhere. Can white ignore the cut at A? If white plays away, black cuts. White must net and sacrifice, or repair after black jumps out. So black cannot give Atari just to keep Sente, because white's net is worth a move all by itself. Black ends up losing on the exchange. Black presses, white extends, black loses left. This simple shape shows how to leave your opponent weaknesses in a fight and how to avoid strengthening them. Look, this way white would be far too thick outside. That's this example.